Hello, everybody. It's Sherry with the CGH Health Foundation, and I am back with an easy, healthy recipe for you. And today's recipe is for a black bean taco filling. I know we are all familiar with the typical ground beef taco with cheese, etc. But did you know that taco means half? So it's talking about a tortilla that's folded in half. And any kind of filling can go in it. I've seen tacos made with cauliflower, with lentils and walnuts. So today's black bean taco filling is going to be half the calories of a ground beef taco, and it won't have the unhealthy fat, the cholesterol, but you will get some great fiber, and it's going to be very flavorful. And you can use this taco filling for any kind of Mexican dish. You could make tostadas out of it, or burritos, or enchiladas. So let me get started with it. The first thing I'm going to do actually is not to cook the taco, but to warm up my tortilla shell. So I have my cast iron pan here on the heat source, and I'm just going to throw the tortilla shell in there and let it sit and kind of toast for maybe a minute or so on both sides so that it's warm. So let's give it a minute to do that. And now that I've got my tortilla warmed up and nice and toasty on both sides, I'm going to go ahead and fold it in half so it's ready to go, and cover it with a napkin, and we'll set it aside. And now we're ready to move forward with our tacos. The first thing I'm going to put in my pan is just about a tablespoon of some olive oil. And then in go the onions. I have a half a cup of chopped onions. And we will turn the heat down a little bit and cook and stir the onion for maybe 2 or 3 minutes until it gets soft and a bit translucent. Okay, now that that onion is cooked, it's time to add all the rest of the ingredients. And so first of all, I have a 1 15-ounce can of black beans, which I have rinsed and drained. And I buy a low sodium black bean because canned beans can have a lot of salt in them. So make sure that you look for one that has fewer grams of sodium than calories per serving. And the two don't really have anything to do with each other, but it's a kind of a quick rule of thumb for making sure that you're buying low sodium canned goods. Look at the calories per serving and look at the milligrams of sodium per serving, and make sure the sodium is less than the calories. So easy peasy. Next, I'm going to put in a teaspoon of taco seasoning. I make my own taco seasoning, and if you look in the description of the video, you will find my recipe for my homemade taco seasoning, again, to keep the sodium low. I'm going to put in just about a tablespoon of water, just to add a little more moisture. I'm going to put in also a tablespoon of tomato paste, and I love this tubed tomato paste so that you can squeeze in just as much as you need and put the rest in the refrigerator. No more having to open up a whole can of tomato paste and use it up. Okay, so now all we do is stir everything together. Make sure that you get that tomato paste all stirred in and incorporated. And we'll let it cook again for just about 2 or 3 minutes to make sure everything gets heated through. All right, now that our taco filling is heated through, let's go ahead and set and assemble a taco. And so I have my shell that I prepared earlier. This recipe makes about 4 servings, so it's a pretty good sized taco. We're going to get quarter to a third cup of the taco meat filling. And you can top this however you want to. Lettuce and tomato. I have a little mix of red and green cabbage here because I love the crunch that adds to a taco. And a sprinkle of some chopped tomato. I'm going to squeeze a little lime on too. And there you have it. Black bean taco filling. And as I said before, use this for taco salads, use it for enchiladas, use it for burritos. Let's give it a taste and see what we think. You know, boy, I'm brave to do this, aren't I? On camera. That's really good. Give these black bean tacos a try. Let me know what you think about them. And you can find all of these recipes, of course, on our What's Cooking CGH blog and videos for all of them as well. See you next time.